Hello, everyone. This is Miss Asma. Welcome to English Trisence. Today, we have a longer practice session, and we will talk about Ramadan. Relax your shoulders, sit comfortably, take a deep breath. Now, speak with me. Repeat after me. Slowly, clearly. Let's begin. Part 1. Basic sentences about Ramadan. Ramadan is a special month. It comes once a year. Muslims fast in Ramadan. I fast in Ramadan. During the day, I do not eat. I do not drink. I eat at sunset. This meal is called iftar. I wake up before sunrise. I eat before sunrise. This meal is called sahur. Now repeat all together. I fast in Ramadan. I do not eat during the day. I eat at sunset. I wake up before sunrise. Excellent. Part 2. My daily routine in Ramadan. In Ramadan, my routine changes. I sleep earlier at night. I wake up earlier in the morning. I pray more. I read every day. I manage my time carefully. In the morning, I go to work. Or I go to school. In the evening, I prepare for iftar. After iftar, I pray. I relax. I spend time with my family. Repeat. My routine changes in Ramadan. I manage my time well. I stay organized. I balance work and worship. Very good. Part 3. Useful conversations. Real-life English. Imagine someone asks you, "Why are you not eating?" You can answer, "I am fasting. It is Ramadan. I eat after sunset." If they say, "Is it difficult?" You can say, "It is not easy, but it is important to me." If you feel tired, you can say, "I am a little tired today. I did not sleep much." Repeat. I am fasting today. It is important to me. Thank you for understanding. Confidence is important. Speak calmly. Speak clearly. Part 4. Vocabulary expansion. Listen carefully. Repeat clearly. Fasting. Patience. Discipline. Gratitude. Charity. Prayer. Energy. Routine. Habit. Balance. Now full sentences. Fasting teaches patience. Ramadan builds discipline. I feel gratitude in Ramadan. I give charity in Ramadan. Good habits give me energy. Balance is important in life. Again. Balance is important. Discipline is powerful. Patience makes me stronger. Part 5, Grammar Focus, Present Simple Deep Practice. Listen. I fast every year. You fast every year. We fast every year. Negative. I do not eat during the day. I do not drink during the day. Question. Do you fast in Ramadan? Answer. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now practice mini conversation alone. Do you fast in Ramadan? Yes, I do. Do you drink water during the day? No, I don't. Do you eat at night? Yes, I do. Excellent. Part 6, Healthy Lifestyle English. In Ramadan, I eat healthy food. I eat dates. I eat rice. I eat vegetables. I drink enough water at night. I avoid too much sugar. I avoid too much fried food. Healthy food gives me energy. Repeat. My body is important. Water is important. Sleep is important. I take care of myself. Very good. Part 7, Emotional Control Language. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel hungry. Sometimes I feel impatient. But I stay calm. I control my words. I control my reactions. If I feel angry, I stay silent. If I feel stressed, I take a deep breath. Repeat. I control my habits. I control my emotions. I choose kind actions. Part 8, Short Reflection, Spiritual 30%. Ramadan is not only about food. It is about self-control. It is about improving myself. In Ramadan, I forgive people. I say sorry. I start again. I try to become better. Step by step. Repeat slowly. Ramadan helps me grow. I become a better person. I improve every day. Part 9, English Affirmations. Say these with confidence. I am disciplined. I am patient. I am focused. I practice English every day. I improve my speaking skills. I am not afraid to speak. Mistakes help me learn. Every day, I get better. Again. Every day, I get better. Part 10, Simple Dua in English. O Allah, guide me. O Allah, forgive me. O Allah, give me strength. O Allah, help me improve. Take a deep breath. Feel calm. Final practice, long shadowing section. Repeat after me. Ramadan is my opportunity. It is a time for discipline. It is a time for growth. I grow in language. I grow in character. I improve my English. I improve my habits. I speak with confidence. I live with purpose. This Ramadan will be different. I choose progress. I choose balance. I choose improvement. Thank you for practicing with me. This is Miss Asma. You are listening to English Trisence. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing. Keep improving. Keep growing.